So welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick update. Let's first do a trade disclaimer and then go into the chart. Let's basically hide that. We don't need those. So in the morning we were about here and we were discussing the possibility of going up there for a rejection. We never made that one, and I told you this was a quick rise with not a lot of support and we could easily fall all the way back down, which we did in the end. I would have liked this to be first heading to that CC, but yeah, we never get that. We didn't even swing failure that, and I must say there was a little bearish divergence on one of these candles and then again over there, but right now ExoChart is not working and it doesn't update. It just is blocking, so we cannot show ExoCharts right now. But basically what I searched for other reasons why that could be the high, and so we had a bunch of naked point of controls there. That one is also gone. I already deleted the naked point of controls that we already had, and now there are none left. We still have this poor low, and I haven't actually done anything today. I got stopped out early in the morning out of GRT, but I'm still in the long that we took there. It's now back underwater. I haven't taken any profits, and I'm still in this short that I am gladly just letting run. So I basically haven't done anything. And I would want to remind you of the video we did yesterday where we looked for possible lows, and we still had some lows in this section, so go and watch that video. Another interesting thing that I found was this pitchfork. So if we take from here to there, right up there, then we see that the golden pocket got respected, then the low got respected, and we rejected off the middle, which is also the 0.3 from this Fibonacci retracement. Right now we're back at these lows. I actually want to see that low taken because it's a poor low. We still have bearish market structure, so we would expect at least another low if we then turn everything on. So that is not anymore. We didn't bounce off the CC. We right now are over there, but we can also delete that one. I also talked about the possibility of a CCV setup, and that one is completed now. I didn't trade that one. As I said, I would want to compound my short over there. We never got there, and I just did nothing. So that one is completed as well. The daily level didn't do anything, so it's gone. We don't have any monthlies close to us anymore. We do have a weekly daily together over there. Another poor low. For the pivots, the weekly pivot is already tapped, so another reason that we don't necessarily need to go up there this week. Trend lines, we do have this one that is together with that triangle low, and we do have some channel lows over there as well. And basically turn everything on. Tum, 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 tum. Now it's again a messy chart, but as I talked about it in my last video on the 25th, in this whole region there is a possibility for a low. It would actually be nice. Let me show that on another chart. So what I'm basically looking at is either we have a clean touch of this bigger pendant and go up from here, touch another, try to get up around 44k again, and then watch the reaction. Maybe we go, maybe we reject, maybe we break out, and that would be bullish. Or a more difficult, one could say, trade would be that we lose this one for a fake out, maybe even take that low, but still hold that one, fake out this pendant, and then get back in. That would give us another long. And the other option is, of course, that we break out of here, maybe backtest it, and move all the way back to the lower 30s, maybe mid 20k. For now, my preferred scenario is still that we find a low somewhere here and move at least up around 33, 34k, and then we'll have to watch the reaction over there. So basically, if you want to see some more in-depth reasons why I think the low is not yet in, go watch the video on the 25th. I'm still happy to hold on these two positions. This is a hedge long for that short, and I'm actually, as soon as we lose this low, I will be looking to compound that long to at least take my entry a bit down and then let it run, or maybe get stopped out. This is just a temporary stop loss for now, in case it just falls off a cliff, and then I'm out of it and I still make money on the short. The dodo trade got stopped out on break even, and that's actually everything that happened today. I do like this pitchfork. We haven't touched the low of it, right? Not yet. So a little bit lower. That would mean also that we take that poor low. And it would actually be nice to hit that weekly and that daily. But for now, I think we might range a bit more and build some liquidity here to then maybe swing failure it, stop everybody out before the move goes back up. That would be the logic thing. If we move up, that we first build a range, then take the low, and then reverse. So that's still how I am watching this. We have still some time to make some liquidity. I'm not in a rush to get a higher position. If we then make a good low, I will be considering to close all the shorts and get into some longs. If I'm not closing the shorts, I will definitely get in some hedge positions, unless I was able to build a high leverage long on Bitcoin that would hedge everything. Then I'm fine with that as well, but that's yet to be seen. So I hope you are all well and stay safe in the market.